to the Covers live stream. Today I'm going to be doing our alcohol-free sangria, and I'm going to be talking a bit about our Mother's Day baskets, which I'm super stoked about. So I'm going to start off with this amazing drink. What we're using here today is Dr. Zenzen alcohol-free wine that we have here in store. Our summerberry tea, we made a lovely jug of it yesterday. You're also going to need some vanilla syrup or a sweetener of your choice. I have a 16-ounce cup here with just a bit of ice, and these are summerberry tubed teas that you can get here in store. These are each $12.95. And if you're wondering what's on top of the jug we have here, this is our Abigo wax wrap. It's very similar to like a plastic wrap, but it's a lot better for your produce or anything you're putting it on. It allows your food to still breathe without getting bad or anything. And the awesome thing about these guys is to clean them, you just rinse them and in lukewarm water. If it's any warmer, you will melt the wax. And you can just use a little bit of dish soap on these guys and just let them air dry. Super simple. They're reusable until they're crumbling apart, literally. So, for our alcohol-free sangria, it's actually equal parts the wine and equal parts the tea. And so I'm just going to go ahead and pop that into my cup. I'm gonna say there, that's a good halfway point, I would say. Alrighty, and this is Dr. Zenzen's red wine. We also have white and rosé available. So I'm just gonna top it up with the wine. I'm also just gonna leave just a teeny tiny bit of space for my syrup here. And it's just the regular measurements that we use here. We use half of an ounce for 12 ounces. We use 3/4 of an ounce for 16 ounces, which will be what I'm using today, and a full ounce for 20 ounces. But this is entirely up to you. You can have this as sweet or without any syrup. It just depends on how you like your drinks, for sure. Alrighty. So I have this in here. And I completely forgot to grab a spoon to stir it around.
A long one or a big one?
It doesn't matter.
I'll bring you both.
Alrighty. Just need it. Thank you. Stephanie's here to save the day every single time.
Hello, everybody.
Alrighty, and there you have it. This is the easiest drink to make at home. No effort at all. That literally took me like 3 seconds to make. Yum. It's so refreshing. I love when our sangria season comes back in because it tastes like a nice like tart fruit punch. It's not too sweet, but it's also, it's not astringent either. It's really well balanced, which I'm very happy about. I also really like to call it the before 5 o'clock sangria, or the family friendly sangria, just because nothing can happen to your little ones with this guy. For our Abigo wrap that I was talking about earlier, this wax wrap that was on top of our tea, it comes in a larger size, so that's awesome for like casserole dishes, really like the bigger mixing bowls. We have the giant ones, which are awesome for like really big casserole dishes, like lasagna pans kind of thing. The medium is really awesome to go with just because it can fit on something a bit smaller. It's a really great in between. And we also have a variety pack, and that goes for like smaller bowls, your medium bowls, and larger bowls as well. Alrighty, and last thing is that we're doing Mother's Day baskets this year, and they are beautiful. This is one that a customer actually ordered, and one of our basket ladies put together. How beautiful is this? For real. If you have any family members that love shopping here, it's super easy. All you have to do is call in. We have a bunch of baskets online for reference points of kind of what you'd maybe want your basket to look like, or like how big you want. It gives you a nice idea of like the price range with them, which is super awesome. And you can get so much out of one basket like this. I'm not quite sure how much the person spent on this guy specifically, but it's just lovely, lovely, lovely. And who doesn't love getting a little gift basket of goodies every now and then, am I right? Yeah, so for the gift baskets, you can call in and order those, and we have a super detailed basket order form just so we can really personalize those orders for your loved ones in your life, kind of thing. One thing though, for the Mother's Day baskets, we're really asking for all of the orders to be in by Friday at noon for Mother's Day baskets to be delivered for Saturday. There's just that little time crunch, but other than that, super easy to go with, especially during this time where it's not exactly the easiest to go and see your mom or your kids coming to see you, kind of thing. So this is a super easy way to still give back to your mom and moms in our area, kind of thing. And yeah, I don't really know what else to say too much. Are there any questions for me so far, Steph?
No.
Awesome.
You're too informative.
Oh, that's never a bad thing. The price for the Dr. Zen Zen alcohol-free wine is $11.95. The tea is super awesome to just like, here we have like bigger tea bags, and we just fill those guys all the way. We pop 2 in here, fill up the jug, and just leave it overnight to steep, kind of thing. The same way you'd make a cold brew, but with a tea. So it's nice, it's concentrated and strong, super tasty, and you just have a lot of iced tea now. And it's a great healthy option for iced tea as well. Trying to think of anything else. Our Monin syrup, like the vanilla syrup specifically, is $15.50, and those prices range from $15.50 to $20.95, just depending on which ones you get, the size they are, kind of thing. But yeah, that's about it. Like I said, a super, super simple procedure. It's just equal parts tea to equal parts the wine and syrup to taste, honestly. And yeah, I hope you guys are having a good time, being safe, washing your hands lots like me. And I hope you guys are going on lots of walks, especially since like the weather's been so nice lately. Today's a bit gloomier, but it's still quite nice outside. I'm still considering going for a walk after work. I'm just worried about the rain, but who doesn't like a little rain? Yeah, I hope you guys are doing good. I'm doing pretty good, thanks. Everyone else here is doing pretty good, I assume. We always ask and everyone says that they're doing good, so yeah. Nothing? Alrighty. Thanks so much, guys. I hope you make this at home, and I hope you love it as much as I do. Alrighty. Until next time, my friends. That's it.